Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Nintendo account login problems. Verification errors step by step clearly. First, check that your Nintendo Switch, phone, or PC has a stable internet connection. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Turn off your device completely. Wait 10 seconds and turn it back on. Make sure the date and time are correct and set them to automatic if possible. Try logging in from a different network, like mobile hotspot, to rule out ISP issues. Open the official Nintendo account login page and confirm the URL is correct. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then reopen the browser. Disable any VPN, proxy, or ad blocker that might interfere with verification. Try a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. If you use the Nintendo account app or console browser, try logging in from a PC or phone browser. Confirm you are entering the correct email address linked to your Nintendo account. Reset your password using the Forgot Password option if you are not 100% sure. Check your email inbox for the verification code and wait at least 2 minutes. Look in the spam, junk, promotions, and social folders for the code email. Search your mailbox for Nintendo and verification to find the message faster. Make sure your email storage is not full, because full inboxes can block new emails. Add Nintendo's email domain to your safe sender list to prevent filtering. If you use two-step verification, confirm you are using the correct authenticator app. Sync the time in your authenticator app settings if codes keep failing. If the SMS code is not arriving, confirm your phone number is correct in account settings. Temporarily disable call blocking or spam filtering apps that may block Nintendo messages. Request a new code and use it immediately, because older codes can expire quickly. Do not request too many codes in a short time, because it can trigger a temporary lock. Wait 15 to 30 minutes if you see too many attempts or similar verification error. Check Nintendo Network service status to see if login services are having issues. Update your console system software and update the Nintendo app if you use it. If you can log in, review security settings and remove unknown devices or sessions. If the problem continues, contact Nintendo support with your error message and account email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.